people that move to Coral Springs don't even know about any of these gated communities behind me. Today, I'm going to be taking you inside of Venetian Isles. I'm going to give you a property tour of one of the homes we are selling in this community, as well as drive around and talk about the community itself. Let's get into it. Right here, we're standing in the street of Lakeview Drive. If you take this all the way down, that leads you towards Coral Springs Drive, Coral Ridge Drive, University. If you take this southbound, that leads you to Atlantic, which hops on to the Sawgrass, which can lead you to Southwest 10 to go to Boca, Delray, Palm Beach County, or if you're heading the opposite way, it takes you to the 595 and the I-75 to Naples, Miami. So as you can see, this is the front entrance to the community. It's gated with a guard. This is the surrounding area. Beautiful community. Just a list of other communities that you're next to. You have Vizcaya there. You have the Owls on the next side. And then over there you have Eagle Trace. These are some of the top gated communities located here in Coral Springs. And I will be making content on those coming soon. Since I can't film outside that much, I had to be low-key and just start driving in my car and just do the best I can while give you a walkthrough of one of the homes that we're selling while just talking about the property and the community itself. So just to give you an overview, as you see, Venetian Isles are primarily single-family residents. You're getting more private residency feel versus a high-density community because it's gated and you're not getting random traffic, mostly just residents, which huge for family. That's very huge for families. That's something people want. Less traffic, kids feel safe, could play in the street and not have to worry about any situations at any time. Now, are there really amenities here? Not really. This isn't one of those massive HOA communities packed with amenities. It's more about quiet living, security, and space. And this is perfect for someone who doesn't need a clubhouse but wants that peace and privacy. Now, the good thing about Venetian Isles, which really wins, is the following. It's close to the major highways. You know, you have the Sawgrass Expressway, which you're right off, which connects to the Southwest 10th Street, which leads to the Turnpike, and the 95, the I-95, which could take you either downtown to Fort Lauderdale or up north to Boca. If you had an opposite direction, southbound, that takes you to the I-75, which could connect you to Naples, and on top of that, Miami, 595, another way to go to Davie, Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale. So you're in a good area. And then you're close to the major streets such as Sampa Road, University, Atlantic Avenue. If you take Atlantic Avenue all the way straight down, it leads you towards Pompano Beach, which is only a 25-minute drive because you're from corner to corner when you look at it on the map. And then you're right in the heart of everything, so you're near strong school zones, which is why this is one of the best tucked gated communities out there because you have everything at your disposal. Now, a quick update about this property we're selling. If this home was fully renovated, it would easily sell for $1.2 million. We have this listed below $900,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom, 3-car garage, but can fit up to 14 cars. Under 3,000 square footage of living space, massive lot size. Look at your backyard. Your own deck you have as well, so you can have an electrical boat there as well, or electrical paddle boards for just entertaining. And like I said, this home has amazing split floor plan, and it's just an amazing location. And at the end of the day, this is what people pay for who's looking to either upgrade from a condo townhome or just wants that privacy and quietness and don't gotta feel like they're in an overcrowded suburb area. If you enjoyed today's video and would like to learn more about other gated communities here in Coral Springs, make sure to comment below gated communities and I'll send you my free relocation guide of all the other communities we have to offer here in Coral Springs. As well, make sure to hit that subscribe button for raw truth and none of that fluffy stuff. See you guys at the next video.